For many decades now, if you asked someone to name an American muscle car, they would most likely respond, the Ford Mustang. Mustangs have usually been fast, always exciting, and usually powered by a throbbing V8. Meanwhile, in the land of Nippon, an urban legend was born, the Nissan GTR. With a turbocharged V6, the GTR could embarrass many a supercar, costing a great deal more. So, which is faster? Finally, you get to see them head-to-head in an urban street in Patakura, New Zealand. Are you ready? Okay, so now you know.